Wala kayong kasalanan, totoo ba yun?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ibig sabihin nun ay malinis kayo bilang isang lingkod bayan.
Yes, Your Honor.
At kung sinasabi natin na malinis kayo, ibig sabihin ay hindi kayo nangurakot nung kayo ay district engineer.
Yes, Your Honor.
At paninindigan mo po yon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sabi mo you're clean, you're not corrupt. So are you willing to produce your salience while you were a district engineer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Willing din po ba kayo magsabit ng waiver ng bank secrecy law? Willing po ba kayo na mag-waive o hindi?
I think, wala naman po ako tinatago, Your Honor. Pero I think it's my right not to sign a waiver po.
Anak ka ng po. Anak ka ng po. Anak ka ng pulis ng may kawayan.